शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Hello friends, the NMAT 2020 application process has started from September 14. If you are planning to take the test, do not fail to apply for the exam before the deadline, which is November 20, to avoid late fee. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill NMAT 2020 application form. The first step is to visit the official NMAT website, which is www.nmat.org. Fill the registration form with details such as name, email address, mobile number. Select country where you would like to take the test from the drop-down menu. Enter the CAPTCHA text and then click on the checkbox agreeing to the terms and conditions. After the registration process is complete, you will get the confirmation through email and SMS. Click Register tab and enter your login credentials to move forward to the application form. The NMAT application form is divided into 8 parts: personal information, contact information, education and work experience, school preference, additional information, exam mode, declaration and payment. In the personal information section, you have to enter information regarding your name, nationality, native language, parents' details, photo upload, and identity card details. The photograph should not be older than 6 months. The file should be in JPEG, JPG, or PNG format and should not exceed 1 MB. After entering the photo ID details, you have to select the option of physical disability and answer relevant questions related to it. You can either click on Save and Exit and come back later to complete the procedure, or continue by clicking on the Next button. The contact information section asks for your address, email ID, and mobile numbers. In the next section, enter your graduation, post-graduation institute names, specializations, percentages of CGPA, and year of passing. After that, enter your work experience in terms of number of years, industry, function, and company names. The next stage indicates selection of B schools, for which you can select up to 5 B schools in India or abroad. The additional information section asks about other MBA entrance exams you have appeared for or planning to appear for, and other miscellaneous personal information. In the mode of the exam, you have to select whether you want to take the test from a designated test center or at home in an online proctored environment. You can check the safety measures taken at the test centers against COVID-19 and the system requirements for the online proctored mode test to take the final decision. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, you can preview your application form and can change any incorrect information that you may have entered while filling the application form. After that, you have to move to the payment page. In the next section, you have to once again select your country and city. You may also select the option to buy NMAT by GMAC official practice exam worth ₹799. Click on the Submit and Make Payment button to visit the payment gateway. The application fee payment can be done by credit card, debit card, and net banking modes. After the payment is complete, candidates who have selected the test center option can proceed towards slot booking and test city and center selection. First, you have to select the exam date and then click on the policy agreement. After that, you have to select the country, city, test center, and time slot from the digital calendar, which will display the available test slots. After that, you will get the confirmation message for successful application on your screen, as well as on your registered email ID and mobile number through SMS. By visiting the dashboard, you can download your admit card or schedule and register for retakes. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. In case of any queries, you can reach out to us in the comment section below. Subscribe to the Shiksha YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram handles for more information on entrance exams, colleges, and courses. Thank you.